another unboxing video, but before we go to that, let me tell you first a brief story while I'm getting my Coach Parker from David Jones' website. It's just recently that I became interested about Coach Parkers, but according to Coach, this line is from their 2019 spring collection and at the moment it's out of stock. It is indeed out of stock in all Coach websites and boutiques. I am just lucky enough to find out that David Jones still got a few leftover stocks, and so I decided to get one immediately, for I believe they will be the last pieces. I decided to pick up this color, Taupe, which is pretty basic color with silver hardware, and it cost 675 Australian dollars. Immediately added it to my cart, and since I'm a new member of David Jones, they actually gave me a welcome reward. So yeah, they gave me a $10 welcome reward, which made me just pay 665 Australian dollars. So this is what I got. It's a Coach Parker in Taupe. The next video will be the unboxing. Please stay tuned. Here is the unboxing part of this video, and I hope you're also excited as I am. Let's open this box together. So this is the box now, guys. As you can see, it looks so gorgeous. It's very well packed, and the brown ribbon is very well done. It looks so elegant. I'm so excited to open this now. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Let's untie this ribbon now and see what's inside. So here we are, yay! There's a paper wrapper covering the bag with the Coach tag there. Let's unwrap this now. Here we are, and wow, there you go. It comes with a dust bag with a Coach tag, and the fabric feels silky. Let's reveal the bag. So here it is. It's so pretty. The leather they use for this bag is very smooth and at the same time very sturdy. The material of this bag is made of refined calf leather skin, which as you can see is very smooth. And this one here is the coated signature canvas. There is this closure which is called a T-rose turnock closure, which makes the bag look so feminine and elegant. And this is the side of the bag. It got the tag here and the official Coach tag. There it is. Coach. And then this is the other side. This is how the bottom looks, and this is the back. So the back got a slip pocket. So there's a Coach engraved here and here, and also at the back. Coach. So for the size is like something I got from the website. For the length, this is 26 centimeters. For the height, 17.5 centimeters. And for the width, it's 11 centimeters. Oh, it's still covered. Yep. So this is the strap. It is leather as well. Leather interlacing a silver hardware. Last is Coach engraved here. Coach. They still got the plastic, which I can remove. I'm gonna remove it now. I've been very excited to share this bag with you guys. I really love this bag and I'm very happy that I was able to still get a Coach bag, even though it's already out of stock in all Coach retails, boutiques, and websites. So I'm really fortunate to get one from David Jones. So I think we already tackled the outside of the bag. Everything you need to know on the outside part of this bag.
So moving on, let's now go and see how the bag looks inside.
So here's the inside of the bag.
The inside is lined with a microfiber suede material and the bag is still packed with some papers.
We got a Coach tag here. Brown one. There. Got a slip pocket here. The back. And a compartment here and here, and a compartment here outside as well. Compartment here. So many compartments. So 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5. Coach tag and a zipped compartment. So we've got some more papers. And just the care instruction from Coach, the usual care instructions they always have in their bags. So I'll just maybe skip it here. You know what, before I bought this one, I also watched some reviews about this bag. People says that the compartment, this compartment, the zip compartment here is not attached on the base of the bag. Like this one is not attached on the base, but attached on the sides. So like your things can actually go through these two compartments here and here because this is not attached at the base of the bag. But actually, this Coach Parker I have, this one is actually attached to the base of this bag. So, I don't know, the other models of Coach Parker, they're saying this one is not attached on the base. But this specific Coach Parker that I have is actually attached to the base. So there's no way that this compartment, the things in this compartment can go through on the bottom and go on this side. So no, this one is actually attached, which is good. So this compartment and this compartment is really separated by this zipped packet here. It's attached on the base to, in short. That's what I meant. So that is everything I can tell you about the bag. I hope I didn't forget to mention anything. A crossbody bag. So we have to make the strap single. So what's my height? I'm 5'6" and no, I'm 5'5" and a half. 5.5.5 tuna. 5'5" and a half. But I feel like as a crossbody, it's quite short for me. I don't know, I'm not very tall. I'm 5'5" and a half. I'm not very tall, but I think as a crossbody, it's quite short. If it's crossbody, I prefer it to be like up to here. Up to here at least if it's a crossbody. But just lands on my waist. I don't know if it looks good this way, but I will definitely prefer wearing this as a shoulder bag.
This is me wearing the Coach Buckle bag as a shoulder bag by doubling the strap, and I prefer wearing it this way. This bag is lightweight and sturdy, and I love the tea rose turner closure that gives its feminine finish. This bag can go with any outfit color and style because of its neutral shade. And that concludes our video. Thank you guys for watching. See you again next time.